The natural world is full of strange and wonderful creatures, many of which are not well known to the general public. Here are 15 of the weirdest animals that you might not have heard of, each with its unique characteristics and bizarre adaptations. I. The Aye is a nocturnal lemur native to Madagascar. It has a peculiar appearance, characterized by large eyes, rodent-like teeth, and an extremely long, thin middle finger used to extract insects from tree bark. This finger taps on trees to locate larvae, much like a woodpecker, and then the Aye uses it to fish out the insects. Despite its creepy look, the Aye plays a crucial role in controlling insect populations in its habitat. Unfortunately, due to its unusual appearance, it is often killed by locals who consider it an omen of bad luck. Blobfish. The blobfish, native to the deep waters off the coasts of Australia and New Zealand, is known for its gelatinous appearance and saggy skin. When it is brought to the surface, the change in pressure causes it to appear as a blob. In its natural deep-sea habitat, the blobfish looks quite different and more structured. Its body, composed primarily of a gelatinous mass, allows it to survive the extreme pressures of the deep sea. It is a slow-moving creature, relying on its low density to float just above the seafloor and feed on small invertebrates. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole, found in the wetlands of North America, is easily recognizable by the 22 pink, fleshy tentacles surrounding its snout. These tentacles are incredibly sensitive and help the mole detect prey through touch. The star-nosed mole is one of the fastest foragers in the animal kingdom, able to identify and consume small prey in as little as 120 milliseconds. These tentacles are covered in Eimer's organs, specialized sensory receptors that make the star-nosed mole's nose one of the most sensitive touch organs in the animal kingdom. Pangolin. Pangolins are unique mammals covered in protective keratin scales, native to Asia and Africa. They are nocturnal creatures that use their long, sticky tongues to feed on ants and termites. When threatened, pangolins can roll into a tight ball, using their scales as armor against predators. Unfortunately, they are heavily trafficked for their scales and meat, making them some of the most endangered animals in the world. Pangolins play a significant role in their ecosystems by controlling insect populations and aerating the soil through their digging. Saiga antelope. The saiga antelope, native to the steppes of Central Asia, is known for its distinctive, bulbous nose. This unique adaptation helps filter out dust and regulate body temperature during the harsh seasons. Saiga antelopes migrate long distances in search of food and water, and their unusual noses also help detect mates during the breeding season. Despite their importance to the ecosystem, saiga antelopes are critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Narwhal. Often referred to as the unicorn of the sea, the narwhal is a type of whale found in Arctic waters. Male narwhals have a long, spiral tusk extending from their head, which is actually an elongated tooth. This tusk can grow up to 10 feet long and is thought to play a role in mating rituals and social interactions. Recent studies suggest the tusk may also have sensory capabilities, helping narwhals detect changes in their environment. Narwhals are deep divers, capable of diving to depths of 1,500 meters in search of food. Axolotl. The axolotl is a neotenic salamander native to Mexico, famous for its ability to regenerate lost body parts, including limbs, spinal cord, heart, and other organs. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls retain their larval features throughout their lives, including external gills and a finned tail. They thrive in cold, clean water and feed on worms, insects, and small fish. Their regenerative capabilities make them a subject of significant scientific research, particularly in the field of regenerative medicine. Thorny devil. The thorny devil, a small lizard native to Australia, is known for its spiky appearance, covered in sharp thorn-like structures that provide protection from predators. The thorny devil has a unique method of collecting water. It can channel dew and rain along the grooves of its body to its mouth. This adaptation is crucial for survival in the arid desert environments where it lives. Thorny devils primarily feed on ants, consuming thousands of them each day using their sticky tongues. Gerenuk. The gerenuk, also known as the giraffe gazelle, is a long-necked antelope found in East Africa. Its elongated neck allows it to browse on leaves and twigs that are out of reach for other antelopes. Gerenux can stand on their hind legs to reach higher branches, giving them a distinctive, upright feeding posture. They are well adapted to arid environments and can go long periods without drinking water, obtaining moisture from the plants they eat. Yeti crab. The Yeti crab, discovered near hydrothermal vents in the South Pacific Ocean, is named for its hairy claws. These claws are thought to harbor bacteria that detoxify the poisonous minerals from the vents, allowing the crab to survive in its extreme environment. The bacteria also provide a supplementary food source for the Yeti crab. Its unusual appearance and specialized adaptations make the Yeti crab a fascinating subject of marine biology. Tarsiers. Tarsiers are small primates found in Southeast Asia, known for their enormous eyes, which are adapted for nocturnal vision. Their eyes are so large that they cannot move in their sockets. Instead, tarsiers can rotate their heads nearly 180 degrees to spot prey and predators. Tarsiers have long fingers and toes, which help them grasp branches as they leap through trees in search of insects and small vertebrates. Their unique adaptations make them highly specialized nocturnal hunters. Gharial. The gharial is a critically endangered crocodilian found in the rivers of India and Nepal. It has a long, thin snout filled with sharp teeth, adapted for catching fish. The male gharial has a distinctive bulbous growth on the tip of its snout called a gara, used to produce sounds during mating displays. Gharials are excellent swimmers, using their long tails to navigate swiftly through water, while their elongated snouts reduce resistance. Glass frog. Glass frogs are a group of tree frogs found in Central and South America. They are named for their translucent skin, which allows you to see their internal organs, bones, and beating heart. This unique adaptation helps them camouflage on leaves and avoid predators. Glass frogs lay their eggs on leaves overhanging streams, and when the tadpoles hatch, they drop into the water below to continue their development. Proboscis monkey. The proboscis monkey, native to Borneo, is known for its large, pendulous nose. This distinctive feature is more pronounced in males and is believed to help amplify vocalizations used in communication and mating. Proboscis monkeys are also excellent swimmers, often crossing rivers and mangrove swamps in search of food. Their diet primarily consists of leaves, seeds, and fruits, and their complex stomachs allow them to digest tough plant materials. Giant isopod. Giant isopods are large crustaceans found in the deep Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They can grow up to 20 inches in length and have a segmented body covered in a hard exoskeleton. Giant isopods are scavengers, feeding on dead animals that fall to the ocean floor. Their appearance is reminiscent of their smaller terrestrial relatives, the pillbugs, but their size and deep-sea habitat make them particularly unusual. These unusual animals each have unique characteristics and adaptations that make them fascinating subjects of study and admiration. Their bizarre appearances and behaviors highlight the incredible diversity of life on Earth.